Welcome to the store.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our store.
Good afternoon.
Can I help you today?
Yes, please. I need clothes for a dinner.
Is it a formal dinner?
Not very formal, but I want to look nice.
Of course. What style do you like?
I like simple and elegant clothes.
Good choice. Do you prefer a dress or pants?
Maybe pants and a nice blouse.
What color do you like?
I like blue, black, and cream.
Those colors are easy to match.
Great. I do not want bright colors.
No problem. What size are you?
I am usually a medium.
For pants, what size do you wear?
I wear size 8.
Perfect. I can show you some options.
Thank you. That would be very helpful.
Please follow me to this section.
Okay, I am coming. Choosing a blouse.
Here are the blouses.
They look nice.
This cream blouse is very popular.
I like it. Is it a medium?
Let me check. Yes, it is a medium.
Good. How much is it?
It is $30.
That is a good price.
We also have it in blue.
Can I see the blue one?
Yes, here it is.
The blue is pretty, but maybe too casual.
The cream one looks more elegant.
I agree. I will try the cream blouse.
Would you like a jacket with it?
Yes, maybe a black jacket.
A black jacket will match well.
Do you have a small jacket?
Yes, but medium may be more comfortable.
Okay, I can try medium first.
I will bring one for you.
Thank you, David.
You are welcome, Emma.
Finding the right pants.
Now, let's look at pants.
Great. I need black pants.
These black trousers are comfortable.
The fabric feels soft.
Yes, and they are not too tight.
That is important for me.
Here is size 8.
Thank you. Do you have a longer pair?
Yes, this pair is longer.
I like that better.
Would you like straight or wide legs?
Straight legs, please.
Straight pants look smart with the blouse.
Yes, it is a good outfit.
The price is $45.
That is okay. Are they on sale?
Today they are 10% off.
Nice. I like a discount.
I can put them with the blouse.
Yes, please. I want to try both.
The fitting rooms are over there.
Perfect. Let's go there. In the fitting room area. David, I am ready.
Great. How does it feel?
The blouse feels good.
It fits your shoulders well.
Do you think it is too loose?
No. It looks comfortable and elegant.
Good. The pants are a little long.
They are long with sneakers. With heels, they may be perfect.
I will wear black shoes for the dinner.
Then, the length should be fine.
Do the colors match?
Yes, cream and black look classic.
I like classic clothes.
Would you like to try the jacket now?
Yes, please. Can you bring it?
Of course. I have it here.
Thank you. I will put it on.
Take your time.
Okay. The jacket feels nice.
It makes the outfit more formal.
Yes, I think this is the right look.
I agree. It looks very nice on you.
Shoes and accessories.
Would you like shoes with the outfit?
Yes, I need comfortable black shoes.
Do you prefer heels or flats?
Low heels, please.
These shoes have low heels.
They look nice and simple.
What is your shoe size?
I wear size 7.
I will check size 7.
Thank you. I hope they fit.
Here they are. Please try them.
They fit well.
Can you walk comfortably?
Yes, they are not tight.
They also match the pants.
Good. Do I need a belt?
A simple black belt would look good.
Is this belt expensive?
No, it is $15.
That is fine.
Do you want a scarf too?
No, thank you. The outfit is enough.
Then we have everything.
Great. Let's go to the cashier. At the cashier.
Did you find everything you need?
Yes, I did. Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome. You have the blouse, pants, jacket, shoes, and belt.
Yes, that is everything.
The pants have a discount today.
That is good news.
Your total is $140.
Okay. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card.
Here is my card.
Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Thank you. The payment is complete.
Can I have the receipt, please?
Of course. Here is your receipt.
What is the return policy?
You can return items within 30 days.
Do I need the receipt?
Yes, please keep the receipt.
I will. Thank you.
Here is your bag.
The outfit is perfect for my dinner.
I am happy you like it.
Have a nice day, David.
You too, Emma. Enjoy your dinner.